Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' Up, and today I am sharing I'm going to say it's a boy's birthday treat holder, but it's actually for anyone who loves sports. I know a lot of little girls who love sports, so this could be for either. You can do it in their school colors, you can do it in their favorite colors. It would be really, really cute. This is a quick and easy project. And this is also a project that is shared on our Stampin' Anonymous tutorials. Now let me tell you a little bit about them. These are the tutorials for April. And if you make a purchase from me, it doesn't matter what size it is, you will get these Stampin' Anonymous tutorials for free. Now these are better than flat. They are all 3D or fun fold projects. So they're really nice, and they're done by 6 very talented demonstrators. And so if you'd also like to purchase them, you can go to my blog, and at the top there's a bar that says Stampin' Anonymous Tutorials. You can click on that, and they are $9.95 to purchase. So I am doing the featured project, which is this one right here. This one was done as a Mother's Day, but I am going to change it up because each month we are going to change it up and show you a different way that you can use this project. All right, so let's get started with it. It's really quick and easy, and this one is using Pacific Point cardstock. And then the stamp set that we're using for this is For the Win. I did a card not too long ago with this one. It was really cute, and I'll link this in the video. And so I'm going to stamp all of these, the baseball, the golf ball, and the football, and I'm going to stamp them all for you so you can see what they look like. They're really cute. And then I am also using the Go Team on this one for this. All right, so for this one, you are going to need a piece of 4x6. And this is Pacific Point. Like I said, you can do it in whatever colors, school colors they have, or whatever they like. This piece is for the sentiment. It's 1/2 by 2.5. And then you'll need some Scrap Whisper White to stamp your images on. So let's go ahead and stamp the images first because they're really cute. And I wanted to show you what they look like. And you can use whichever combo that you like for your treat holder. All right, so I'm going to use Memento Black. I'm going to just go ahead and stamp them all in Memento Black, and then we're going to just color some of them. And you can use a hole punch, the 1 1/4 inch circle punch for these balls that we're stamping here. Aren't they cute though? I think they're the cutest little, and I've been wanting, my grandson is really into sports, and this is the perfect set for him. All right, so while we have this ink out, let's just go ahead and stamp the sentiment. Okay. All right, so I'm going to color these, and I'm not going to color them all. I'm just going to color the ones that we're going to use. And I'm going to go ahead and do the basketball, and we're going to do that in Pumpkin Pie. And it's really easy, quick coloring. I'm using the Stampin' Blends for this. But you can see how quick the coloring is. And I'm going to just use some dark Cajun Craze to kind of emphasize the lines in the ball. You can really get fancy with this, and really, like, you can dot this, like, to give the little impressions of a basketball if you want to. I mean, that just came into my head as I was, so you can do that. And then the baseball, I just colored some real red. I just used it on the stitches here because I just wanted to add a little bit of color since the baseball is white, and you can color it like a really light gray if you like. I just wanted to leave it white. And then the soccer ball, I would just leave it like that. And then the football, I'm using the dark soft suede. And again, really easy to color. Nothing fancy here. You can really get fancy if you want to, but this is a quick and easy, so. And then the golf ball, I'm just going to leave like that. But you can color these pink. You can color it gray. You can color it whatever, because golf balls come in all colors. I used to golf all the time, and I always picked the real colorful ones. I always had like yellow or pink, but I'm going to just go ahead so you can see what that looks like. All right, so that is it for coloring any of those. So I'm going to use the 1 1/4 circle punch, and we are just going to punch these out. See, it fits perfectly in there. And you do have to cut the football, but it's super simple to cut. You can even do the golf ball, but I'm just going to leave that because we're not going to use that. And then just cut this one out, fussy cut it. It's really quick and easy. And there's our football, and then we have our Go Team. I'm going to banner the end of this one, and then we'll create the box. The box is really easy. You do have to do a little bit of hand scoring, but it's really easy. All right, so we got our pieces right there. Let's get our piece here, and I'll grab the scoring tool. I simply scored here, and you're just going to score this in half. So it's really easy. You're going to score it at 3 on the 6-inch side. Now I'm going to keep my little stylus here, and I do need a ruler. So we are going to take our ruler. You're going to mark the top part, and you're going to mark it at 2 inches. So you can just do it with your stylus. You can mark it with a pencil. So we're just marking. This is just going to give us a guide from where we have to score. So we're going from that stylus mark that I just marked to the corner here. Then we're going to do the same thing on this one, to that point where I marked, to the corner, and then we're going to do it on this side as well. So we're doing it from there to the corner, and then again on this one. So it's going to look like this. Hopefully you can see that. And that's basically it. So now I'm going to just use my bone folder, and we're going to just sharpen these. And it just folds up like that. Now I'm going to use my hole punch, and we are going to punch right through these 2 layers on this side, and then we're going to do these 2. Depending on the size ribbon that you're using, depends on the size hole that you're punching on this. I'm using the thinner ribbon. I'm using the Sheer Whisper White. And so I'm going to put it through this side first. And if you don't want to tie a bow, just tie a knot. I need to get a little bit of a point on here. And then you're going to just go through this side. Make sure that they're going in the right direction, like both sides here. I'll show you here what I mean in a minute. And then this one. So both of these flaps are going in the same direction. You just want to make sure you do that. And then I'm going to tie a bow, just a small one on this. These are one of my favorite quick and easy ones to do. And I haven't done one for a boy, so I thought I would do one that would be really cute for a boy's birthday. Alright, so I am going to turn it this way because these are the ones going back. And we are going to attach the football first. I'm going to put that up here. And then we're going to do the basketball. Soccer balls could be different colors too. So you can color that in if you like. And then I guess I'll do the soccer ball. We're going to just leave it white. I did the baseball, the last one. Alright, so now I'm going to just add some dimensionals to our sentiment that we have right here. You can also color this in their school colors or the colors that they like, but I am going to leave it plain. And then we're going to grab our little backings and take those off. And then we're going to set this right over the top here. Like that. And that is it. So aren't they cute? The projects in the Stampin' Anonymous tutorials are really cute and they're really well done. And so every month come back and check because there will be some new tutorials. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwiththemore.com and shop for my blog. Have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.